Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 of Vista's book, that is, The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck, who was an American writer and novelist. This story is of wartime when America and Japan were enemies and there was a war between America and Japan. The story opens at the house of Dr. Sadao Hoki, a highly successful Japanese surgeon and scientist who had taken his medical degree from America. His house was located at the Japanese coast. In the beginning, it has been told that Dr. Sadao's father was a serious man and serious about his studies too. And so, to provide him higher education, he did send him to America. When his father died, Dr. Sadao became a well established surgeon. He got perfection in wounds cleaning. He was not sent with troops at the wartime as General Takima of Japan, an old ill Japanese general, could need him anytime as he was ill, and Sadao was a well established surgeon. In America, he met Hannah, who was now his wife, but he only married her when he confirmed that she too was Japanese, as his father was quite traditional man. Doctor's house was on the ocean's beach, so one day when standing in balcony of their house, Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah saw a man coming out of an ocean staggering. Staggering means walking shakingly. When they tilted means turned. When they turned him from his hat, they came to know that he was an American prisoner of war. They noticed that he was hit by a bullet and was totally injured. Now they were in dilemma whether to treat him or not, as he was an American prisoner of war. And America and Japan were enemies. They thought to throw him back into the ocean, but as they were kind hearted, they took him inside their house and decided to treat him and thought that after treatment they would hand him over to General Takima. Then the doctor asked his wife Hannah to bring some water to clean his wounds. Hannah told him that she would call the servants, that is, Yumi. She would call Yumi for this work. But Yumi denied, and even other servants also raised their voice against him, saying that when rocks, ocean, and nature all are against him, then why was he trying to save him? And asked him not to help him, otherwise, the nature would take revenge from them. Then Hannah had to clean wounds herself, and they both treated him, and thus he started recovering as bullet was taken out of his body and he was properly treated. He was now regaining his lost strength. Entry of the American in the house made the servants violent and they left the house. Even they were worried for their master as they doubted that doctor would be considered as traitor. Traitor means cheater when things would be known outside. Even doctor was afraid, as if servants would conceal about the American's existence in their house, then it would create a problem to his family. So he decided to tell the secret to General Takima. And one day a messenger came from the palace of the general. Hannah felt afraid, but the messenger told the general, told the doctor that general had a pain, and so the doctor Sadao was needed over there. Hannah felt relaxed. Dr. Sadao went to the general and treated him, and he, after his treatment, told about the American soldier to the general. He told that although he had no sentiments for that American, but he could not help operating him. The general appreciated him and assured him that he would not allow anything happen to him, as he had to save his life. The general was selfish one, so he assured Sadao that he would send his personal assassins who would quietly kill him, and he asked the doctor to keep his gate open from the garden side at night. Even the doctor agreed, but also disheartened in his heart, as he was trained to save lives of the people, and now he would become the reason for someone's death, and that too after giving the treatment with his own hands. And he was in great confusion, but he didn't tell that thing to his wife. He let the doors open of the American prisoner at night, and that night, at a little disturbance, he felt that assassins had come, but nothing happened that night. Again, nothing happened on the second night, and on third night, even Hannah woke up with a sound of crash outside and wanted to go outside, but Sadao didn't allow her due to the fear of assassins, but nothing happened. No one came on third night even. Next morning he found the American alive and fit. Then he took the situation in his hand. You know, American soldier was totally recovered by them then. So he arranged food, water, and a torch for him and guided him towards an island where nobody lived, as it got submerged during the storm season. He instructed him that he could wait for a Korean boat there and would leave the island with any Korean boat when it would come. Even he told him that he would give two flashes if he would run out of food, and one flash if he was still on island. Even he told him not to flash at night, as his flash would be noticed, and asked him to flash at the time of sunset only. The American knew that for the second time Dr. Sadao was saving his life. Sadao asked him to go away, as he could create a problem for his family. The young American went to the sea wearing Japanese clothes and a black cloth on his blond head, and this is how he found a solution himself to get rid of an American. The general had to be operated once more, but somehow Dr. Sadao operated him and he survived. Then the doctor asked the general about the assassins. The general told him that he forgot to send them, as he was occupied with his own disease and pain only. Then Sadao told him that the American had escaped. The general became happy and even promised to give reward to him. That night, Sadao stood outside in his veranda. He saw no flash of light that night. That meant that the prisoner had gone away safely, and that was his real reward. As a human being and as a doctor, he had saved a life. So, students, story finished here. Now, let's see the different characters of the story. If we talk about Dr. Sadao's father, he was a serious man. He was traditional and conventional. Conventional means believe in old beliefs. He believed in Japanese values, and he allowed marriage of Hana and Dr. Sadao only after becoming confirmed that she was Japanese only. She was a true patriot, and he never loved Americans, and he was also futuristic as he sent his child to America to get higher studies. Next important character is Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao can be analyzed in three ways. First, as a patriot, second, as a surgeon, and third, as a family man. As a patriot, he informed about the soldier to General Takima, and as a surgeon, he was dedicated towards the American soldier as he was taught to save the lives of the people. And as a family member, he was very caring. He knew the danger, and so to escape his family from any coming danger, he informed about him to the general. Apart from that, he was very kind hearted and generous too. This also links with the theme of the chapter as he rose above race, creed, color, and petty considerations and kept humanity above all and considered humanity higher than anything else. And the last character sketch is of General Takima. He was a selfish man as he didn't send the doctor with troops as he needed him badly anytime. He put himself above his duty and country. Even he didn't scold Dr. Sadao when doctor told about the prisoner of war. This means he was self-centered as he didn't feel like taking a strict action against Dr. Sadao. He was not faithful towards his duty as he left Dr. Sadao unpunished, even he knew the secret of American prisoner of war. And next is he was not promising as he promised doctor to send assassins but he didn't send them as he said that he forgot it due to his own pain. So these were the important characters, and the theme is we should rise above petty considerations, rise above race, color, creed, or nationality, and serve humanity. As we have seen, that to be a doctor means you are no more self centered. You are dedicated to humanity, and the main aim of your life is to save life. Life is really precious thanks to those doctors who sacrifice their life to save ours and helping us in this lockdown period. And that's all for the day. And students, thank you and have a nice day.